Jessica Daly here, the Business Development Manager at Plative. Continuing with our AI in Action series, I'm excited to show you another amazing AI feature we have developed here and use at Plative. Imagine having the power to dive into a massive document like a Tesla 10K, which is over 250 pages long, and get the answers that you need instantly. Sounds pretty amazing, right? But first, let's talk about why breaking down a 10K is so important for prospecting. A 10K provides a comprehensive overview of a company's financial health, business operations, and potential risks. By understanding these key aspects, you can make a more informed decision and identify valuable opportunities. Now, let's dive into a little bit on how it works. With our FileBot, you can AI enable these large documents and make them super interactive. Let me dive in to show you how easy that is. So we do start with a command, which in this case will be /FileBot followed by your question. And for demo purposes, let's just say you want to know about the primary investment risks at Tesla. You would type in /FileBot, what are the primary investment risks with Tesla? Once you've selected it, you will see an option source of the Tesla 10K, and we're going to hit submit. Now, when you head over to your messages tab, in no time, you'll get a detailed reply with the information that you need. But it really doesn't stop there. If you have any related follow-up questions, you can simply reply within the same thread and keep the conversation going to provide you with more insights. If you have a brand new unrelated question, you can just start a brand new FileBot query. So in summary, with FileBot, navigating through large documents has never been easier or more efficient. It's like having a personal assistant who can sift through hundreds of pages in seconds to give you exactly what you need. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions or want to learn more about this or any other AI feature, simply reach out and we'd be happy to chat.